how are you? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start our second poem number 2, geography lesson. Now sir, why the poem, the name of the poem is given geography lesson? Because there is something related between the land and the earth in this poem. So just because of that, the poet has defined this poem as a geography lesson. Now let's start the poem. When the jets sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. As you can see, the poet is in an aeroplane. As he observes something from the window, he sees that the city. The poet has clearly said it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. We think that city is in a planned way, but it never be planned. City is never be planned, it is planned by the people itself. We see many type of houses, many type of buildings. See, so it is never be planned, and we can't say the city will be planned because city never planned any architecture or no one is planned the city. City is planned by the people itself. So it was clear that it was clear why the city had planned the way it had. We can see that city is planned by its own. No one has planned it. Seeing its scale 6 inches to the mile. When the poet goes 6 miles on the height, that seems an inevitability. Like it is unavoidable. Inevitability का मतलब क्या रहता है? Unavoidable. The writer can see that this seems an inevitability that we can't avoid about what on ground had looked haphazard. It's look like it's haphazard. Haphazard का मतलब टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते, ठीक है? Not properly planned. So we can see that the city is not planned. It's not like it's not like building which architecture planned. It's not like that. There is something like there will be a building, there will be a small house like that. So it is haphazard, unplanned and without style. We can observe that city is unplanned and there is no style in it. As we see in today's building, there is something in a planned way and it has some style. But city never been planned and it never had their style. When the jet sprang into the sky. So what the poet is saying, ये सब वो कब देखते हैं जब जेट जो है हवा में उड़ता है. Next stanza. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. As the writer goes high in 10,000 feet, he sees that it was clear, the writer has clear thought that why the country had cities, why the country has its own cities, and why city is planned in a near to the valleys and river, because always this water resource attracts man. Okay? As we see, many factories, industries, households are situated near to the river. Why it's like that? Because we can grab a water from that. We can get the water easily just because of the river. And why the valleys were populated? Because everyone likes to be in a valley. No one likes to be in a hill station or in a mountain because that plantation problem is there. Then after we do have a problem of this vehicles and all, like the roads are not proper, it become a slanting, so it is not. So everyone likes to be in a valley, in a flat land. Everyone likes to be in a flat land, so that easily plantation is available, each and everything, network issues are there in mountains and all. So that's why people like to be stay in a valley or in a flat land. Okay? The logic of geography. Now poet understood the logic of geography, that why people attracted by the river and the valleys, so that we can get good resource from the river, water resource from the river, and a valley because it is everything is easily available on it. That land and water attracts man was clearly delineated while the jet reached 10,000 feet. It shows, delineated का मतलब क्या रहता है? Shown. ठीक है? It shows that why men are attracted with water and land, just because I have explained you that on land everything is easily available. As we see in the mountains, there are some restrictions on it that we can't go with it. ठीक है? There are some restrictions. So man prefers to stay in a land, and water that I told you that attracts man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. And when the jet reached 10,000 feet, the poet can observe all these things from the sky. As he went up into the sky, he sees cities bifurcated in a blocks. Why it is bifurcated in a blocks? When we see it from the high, it shows that it is properly planned, but the city never be properly planned. ठीक है? Now move on to the third stanza. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear that the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. As the writer goes 6 miles on height, it was clearly shown that the earth is round, and it shows that the earth is having more sea than the land. Earth is having more sea than the land. That's why our earth looks very blue. As I see, when the land looks like patches, but this sea it's overall on the earth. So it clearly shows that the sea is more than the land on our earth, and that's why the earth looks blue. But it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across cities and to kill. But the poet is saying it is very difficult to understand why there is some walls between them. Some walls, like today man are eagerly wanted to kill each other just because of some of the reasons. There is some hate relationship between the man and man. Why it is like that? Why the poets want to say that there is some hate relationship between them? Because in today's world we can see that this is happening. एक बंदा दूसरे को मार रहा है, दूसरा बंदा उनको मार रहा है. It's like a trend. So the man is saying why they have become jealous to each other, and why they hate each other, because everything on the earth is same. There is same land, same breeze, same water, same valleys, same land. So why there will be a difference between in this man and on earth? Why the man hate each other? It is not clearly shown from the height. So the poets want to convey that we don't have to. There is some message in that everything is same. Like we are using the same water, same land, same planet we are sharing. Then why there is some hate relation between the man? ठीक है? So that the poem geography lesson wants to convey that there is we don't have to consider any hate relation with man. We don't have to jealous to each other. There we can't do, because we are same. There is nothing different in it. From that height it was not clear. Why? And the poet is saying from that height it is not clearly visible why man doing this. Why men are killing each other, why they are not cooperating to each other, why they are become jealous to each other, that is not clear from that height. So that is the poem that poet want to convey, and it's very important. It's very message convey. It's a moral message conveyed by this poem. So be to it. Never be jealous. Never hate each other. Never do any type of mischief to anyone. ठीक है? I hope you all have understood this. Kids, we will solve question answers of this chapter in workbook. So I will send the PDF of this chapter to you. You need to write that PDF, the material from that PDF in your workbook. So you keep studying. Till that, take care. Bye bye.